In a quiet village, there lived a Zen master named Li Wei, known for his wisdom. One day, a curious young villager, Mei, approached him seeking guidance. Mei asked, "Master Li Wei, how can I make the right decisions in life?" The master smiled kindly and said, "Ah, young one, the power of wisdom comes from deep within. Imagine your mind is a calm lake. When you face a choice, let the ripples settle and listen to your heart." Mei nodded, taking in the straightforward advice. She spent days watching the master meditate and tending his garden. While watching a butterfly struggle to break free from its cocoon one morning, she asked, "Why don't we help it, Master?" Li Wei replied, "The struggle is nature's way of making the butterfly strong. Challenges have the power to make us stronger and more resilient. Wisdom is knowing when to help and when to let things be." As time passed, Mei's heart became clearer. She faced choices with a calmer mind, remembering the master's words. People soon noticed her newfound wisdom and sought her advice. With a smile, Mei knew that the power of wisdom was not in having all the answers, but in understanding oneself and the world. Just as Master Li Wei had guided her, she now guided others on their journeys.